go get him again.
Welcome back to the Robezoid channel. I'm your host Mark, and on the docket today we have an unboxing first impression video on the brand of Mancera, one of my favorite brands of all time. All jokes aside, this is Amber and Roses. So we'll have our first impression. It is part of the Fragflex return haul, so I'm looking forward to seeing what this one's all about. It was never on my radar. Mancera and me, we're not friends. There's a few good ones, especially recent releases. I feel like they're getting better. But there's a lot of the stuff that I just can't do it. So let's get into this. Before we get into anything, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, much appreciated. To all my returnees, welcome back. Much love to all of you. Let's take a look at the note breakdown, and very simple, straightforward note breakdown. Lemon up top, rose and jasmine in the mid. In the base, we got amber, white musk, and lavender. So good start. We have the amber and roses in the note breakdown. This was released in 2014, so it has a few years behind it. Nose behind this, Pierre Mancera, Pierre Montal, fictional character, we don't know. Now, we're gonna look at pricing. This one retails off Mancera's website for $150 USD, or you can get it for $69 USD on Fragflex. Good old Fragflex, bringing it down a notch. So let's unbox this and let's see what this one is all about. In the typical pouch, let's push it from behind and come on, big boy. It's got like a purple hue. Oh, haven't seen a Mancera bottle with a purple hue, and that doesn't go with the theme, in my personal opinion. Amber, I'd go with like a brown hue, not a purple hue to it. Roses, not purple. Red, pink, maybe. Let's see. All right, let's put it on strip and let's see what we get. Good atomizer, eh? Mancera, that's one thing you can't complain about. This is, let me hold that. This is disgusting. I haven't said that on camera in a while. This is absolutely, this is garbage. Oh, I feel bad people clicking on this, looking for fragrance advice, or they already bought the bottle. Oh, this is bad. And don't buy it just because you want to smell how bad it is. It's a lemony resin with roses. Like, gross. This is by far the worst Mancera. By far. Like, they won by a landslide. That ain't right. It's just not working. Oh, it's like a car crash. Like I can't stop sniffing because it's so bad. Oh, man. You know, there's a lot of people that hate Mancera. I'm not, you know, I give them flowers when I, you know, go check out my Mancera reviews. There is some positive ones, right? I'm not a Mancera bash fest kind of guy. Right? Synthetic to a fault is things that, unfortunately, you have to say with the brand sometimes. This is right there. This is as bad as it gets. Lemon, dish soap, meets a resonant, like, is this labdanum they're trying to do? It smells kind of like, not good. Like, I like daring scents, but like the way I'm going to explain it, you're going to be like, oh, that smells okay. Lemony, like lemons in a compost, like an earthy quality, almost tea-like quality. And you're like, oh, lemon tea, yeah, that works. No, not like this. This is like a poor labdanum resin. I'm not explaining it correctly. With a weird synthetic rose. Oof. This is bad. This is really bad. And it's strong and bad. Like I can take like a shitty Lacoste or a stupid Azzaro fragrance that is garbage. You know, it's worth $10, whatever, right? Don't spend retail on an Azzaro fragrance. We all know this, right? And they have no back end and they're gone. This is terrible. This is like Pierre Montal with his sunglasses inside, as per usual, mixing a vat of something. And again, I think I've said this on a Montal review just recently. He spilt a bunch of stuff and he went, well, we're not going to throw it out. Let's bottle it. They'll buy it. Somebody will buy it. That is the brief for Amber and Roses. This has nothing to do with Amber. There's no vanillic touches. There's no sweetness. There's no even laudanum. There's no leathery touch. What is this? It's like an alien of a fragrance. And not a good one. Oh, yeah, this is terrible. I haven't said that in a while in fragrance reviews. And this is not a premium niche brand. Like is as bargain bin as they get for niche brands. And sometimes they hit, sometimes they don't. And sometimes they're just terrible. This is beyond that. This is on the do not buy list. This is like, I don't want to smell any Manceras for a while. That's where I'm at right now. And I don't think I have any right now, so that's good. Man. Yep. So this one is available at Fragflex, and I know one of you weirdos is going to go on Fragflex because it's only $69 USD and use my code TFG10. You get 10% off, by the way, and buy it and smell this thing. And if you don't agree, we can't be friends. We really can't. I really can't be your friend. If you enjoy this and you subscribe to me, unsubscribe. I'm sorry. Oh, all right. Anyway, yeah, that coupon code is available to you. You don't have to buy this. You can buy anything you want. No expiry on it. Now that you heard my take, the Mancera fanboys are going to flame me in the comments, I could tell, but whatever. Honest Gus, that's my name now. I'm going to take it. I'll take it on the chin. All the Mancera fanboys, come at me. But I'd love to see your comments below. And again, I'm not going to, unless you seriously come after me, I'm not going to delete your comment. Say why you love it. Perfect. I'll keep it up. You're mid on it. You're like, it's okay. It's not as bad as Mark said. I'll keep that up. That's fine. And then there's ones that are going to agree with me. I'll high five you in the comments. I can't wait. I want to see if anybody did a sponsored video on this thing and gave it flowers. Unsubscribe right away. Right away. Any positive fragrance reviews on YouTube, you're gone. I don't want to see your face anymore. Oh. Anyway, as always, a great pour fragrance will make a lasting impression, right? This is leaving me with a lasting impression of Mancera. Not a good one right now. Choose your scent wisely. I'm hurting. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a good one.